Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix AirPods not connection problem in Windows 11, 10. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Sound Settings. Select AirPods, click Set Default, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand starting with E0CBF06C. Create new string value named as PNP capabilities, change value data to 24. Exit Registry Editor and restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.